The drift of the controller is mostly due to the entry of impurities, dry dust, etc. These impurities will form oxidized dirt through friction and adhere to the interior, causing poor contact. Today I will tell you how to quickly solve the drift of the PS5 controller without disassembling it. We need to use a bottle of WD-40 Classic Blue. Fill a bottle of WD-40 Precision Electrical Cleaner. First, open the decorative cover of the PS5 and align it with the two small holes under the rocker. Take a look at the small blue can of WD-40. Do not spray too much. Shake the rocker to allow the liquid to fully penetrate. The role of the small blue can is to clean, remove the oxide layer, and improve the conductivity. Next, spray the Precision Electrical Cleaner in the same way twice. You don't need to spray too much. The function of the Precision Electrical Cleaner is to clean dust and impurities and evaporate them quickly. Both products have a certain insulation strength and are used on handles. You can rest assured that if you are not sure about the cause of the drift, it is safer and more effective to use two bottles together. Complete these steps and let them sit for 15 minutes to solve the problem of remote sensing drift.